you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I cannot believe that it is already August, which you guys already know means it's back to school season. And I also can't believe that this time 4 years ago, I was just moving into my dorm room. Part of it seems like it was just yesterday, and then the other part of it seems like it was an eternity ago. And the other day I started kind of thinking, like, what are some things I wish I would have brought to college / known were going to be essentials. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a little dorm room essentials video, and this video is sponsored by JCPenney. I went shopping there the other day for all of this stuff, and you guys, they have so much bedding, bathroom, desk accessory, and just overall so much cute decor that is awesome for your dorm room. So if you guys like any of the stuff that I'm showing you in this video, I'm gonna have it all linked below. I definitely recommend checking out JCPenney for all of your back to school needs. If you're someone that is just moving into the dorms this year, soak it all in, because a few years down the line, you are going to miss the heck out of it. All right, I'm so excited to show you guys all of this stuff. I don't even know where to start, but okay, I'm just gonna grab it and go. First thing I picked up is one of these caboodles. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would know I'm a big caboodle gal. This is the second caboodle I own now. And these are awesome for on the go. And I feel like you don't realize how convenient these things are until you have one. So if you've never seen what these are, it pretty much just like flips up like that. And then you have, it's kind of like a mini train case essentially. So initially I would recommend using this as makeup storage, but you can also use it for way more. In college, so often you run to like your friends' dorms to get ready and stuff before you go out. And so when you keep all your makeup in here, you can just, you know, grab it obviously. And then if you guys want to like share products and stuff like that, you can just open the drawers and see everything instead of it all being stuffed into a makeup bag. And when I got this, I actually did see this kind, which is small, and then they also have a way bigger one. So a couple of different options for you. All right, next thing you need for your dorm, and you guys, this is an essential. This is something I'm a die-hard advocate of. You need an aromatherapy diffuser, because in your dorm, you cannot use candles. I'm pretty sure no dorm allows that. But you can use aromatherapy diffusers. And what these are is it's pretty much this little device that you fill up with water, and then you just take essential oils and you put a couple drops in, you turn it on, and it diffuses. And not only is it obviously nice for the scent, but there is something so relaxing about these. And anytime I'm stressed or when I'm going to sleep, when I wake up, it's just part of my everyday routine. And what's awesome about this one in particular is there is an automatic on-off function. So if you want to leave it on while you're going to sleep or while you're getting ready in the morning, you don't have to worry about turning it off. So I'm obsessed with this. It also has like a built-in LED light, which is great as like a little makeshift lamp. All right, so speaking of lights, the next thing I wanted to show you is something that I actually never had in my dorm, but I regret it because this would have been the coolest thing ever. I'm really excited that I have this now because I'm going to set it up in my room. But get one of these LED strip lights. They are super, super cheap, and they add so much to your space. But pretty much what this is like a strip that you can put maybe like behind your TV. You can just put it up on the wall, and when you turn it on, it obviously just makes the surrounding area glow, and there's different color settings. And I feel like when you're living in a dorm, it's so important that you just add little touches to make it your space. Overall, when you go to college, and if you've lived in a dorm, you would know this, but your space is everything because you're spending so much time in this one little room. So adding little touches like this makes such a difference. All right, moving on, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the bedding situation, because obviously in your dorm room, you're going to be doing all of your sleeping. It can be really, really overwhelming when you go into the store and you see like thousands of blankets and you're like, which one do I pick? But I wanted to show you guys this one in specific that I got from JCPenney. This is by far like the best blanket I have ever used, and I'm not just saying that. You guys need one of these in your life. So the packaging, I already took it out because like I had to use it. This is a luxury cotton blanket. I got size twin, and this blanket is so incredibly, not only is it soft, but it's heavy. So I've actually just been using this as like my blanket at nighttime now that it's summer. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's got the little kind of like waffle print going on, like that little waffle texture. Personally, when I finished my freshman year of college, when I was moving out of my dorm, I kind of got rid of all of the little like throw blankets and stuff just because they were cheap. They had gotten like matted and dirty, but this is the type of thing that you would want to keep for like years and years and years after end. So I think we all know by now that your mattress is literally like this big. It's like the most pathetic mattress usually. You obviously want to get a mattress topper, but you also want to make sure that you're using a nice pillow. So I got one of these, and it is a temperature regulating memory foam pillow. So it does not one, but two things for you. So when you touch it, you can literally just feel how like cool it is. I don't really understand how that works, but it's also memory foam. Obviously, you don't need to have like 4 memory foam pillows in your bed. I feel like that's a little unrealistic for a college student, but definitely make the investment in just one. I used to think that they were really expensive, but they're not. This was actually really cheap, but I'm really, really happy with this one, and I just think the cooling setting in itself is worth it for this because your dorm room is going to get hot. Like, it's going to get hot. It's just a given. If there's any way to spice up your room and just add flavor to it, it's with throw pillows. So honestly, guys, like, go crazy with it. Like, get all the toss pillows because it makes such a difference. It really brightens up your room. I wanted to find a pillow that was like bright and cheerful and would go with a lot of stuff. So I ended up going with this one. It just has bumblebees and then these little purple tassels. I really like this because I know it will match a lot of stuff. All right, the final item I'm showing you guys. I am so happy that JCPenney gave me the opportunity to get one of these to show you because most people don't realize that they need one of these until the time comes. You need to bring some kind of carry-on luggage to college. You just do. I feel like most people, when you're packing for college, you bring everything in like big clear containers or like a trunk or like a huge suitcase. But what you don't realize is there's a lot of like weekend trips that end up happening in college. I would always like go home like with my girlfriends. They would take me to like their hometowns, or sometimes like fraternities would do mountain and beach weekends, and for that obviously you need more than just a purse to pack stuff. Oh, it's my new baby. I'm literally obsessed with it. It is this like bronzish gold color, and it's obviously like carry-on size. So this is what it looks like. The inside has so much space. I don't think the camera is doing it justice, but there's like a divider and there's like an expanding option on the zipper. But yeah, this one was actually on sale. A lot of their luggage is on sale right now. And obviously this is the type of thing that is going to come in handy for more than just 1 year. And it also has a lock setting. I'm excited because it's my first ever piece of luggage that has had this setting. But yeah, trust me, you guys, you are going to need some kind of luggage that can hold enough stuff for like a weekend trip or something like that. You don't want to have to like stuff everything into a purse. All right, you guys, so that is about it for the video. Even if you're not going into college, I feel like all of this stuff is still like really good stuff that you would want to have in your bedroom either way. And I want to give JCPenney one more big thank you for partnering with me to make this video. It definitely brought back so many just like bittersweet college memories. I miss college. I miss moving to the dorm. That feeling is just like the most exciting feeling in the world. And I'm gonna have my dorm tour linked below just so you guys can see young Adrienne all moved into college and so happy. But that's about it, guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.